Well, we finally got on the ship. It was a long embarkation. Lines were crazy.
Hours
Waiting in line.
Line after line, or as they say in England, queue after queue.
We are finally about to enter our room. Here we go. There I am using my medallion for the first time in room P311 on the Princess Sapphire. Walking in, this is my first impression of the room. I thought it was pretty decent size. The bed looked comfortable. Needed to see out that window though, my Oceanview window. I wasn't sure what to expect. It was bigger than I expected. I actually really enjoyed it the whole time. Sunshine, the view, it was awesome. There's the front door that we just walked through. Right when you come through the front door, to the left-hand side, there is a nice big closet area where you can store things. You can store your clothes, you can store your suitcases, you can get dressed in the morning. There's a mirror there. And then, of course, here is the bathroom, which I was really actually pretty pleased with. As far as a cruise ship goes, this bathroom was the best one I'd ever been in. The angle of the toilet in there, the size of the shower, just kind of the way that it was configured was really nice. It worked really well for us. We were on this cruise for a long time, and this bathroom actually worked just fine, except the shampoo. We had to get different shampoo because the shampoo had no lather in it whatsoever. All right, and turning the corner, there is the Vanity workspace area. We used it for both. We used it to get ready in the morning, and we also used it for workspace. You can set your laptop up there. You can plug it in. There was electricity, get work done. There was also these drawers where you could store anything you needed to store in there. We definitely took advantage of that. Behind those backpacks was a mini fridge. We did not use that much. The bed is very comfortable. It was a great bed. Princess is known for having great beds, and they did not disappoint. The nightstands on either side of the bed both had a couple of drawers. That was also good for storage, and one more view out that window that would bring in the sunshine and bring in the good vibes. Hey, you made it all the way to the end. You must have liked this video. Why not check out some of our others? Go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button. Head over to our channel and see what else we have to offer.